Hi, I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling classic and modern cars since 1988. Here we have a 1984 Beetle, 1200cc, left-hand drive Mexican built, been in the same ownership since 1991. It was their family car, and then in the last couple of years they decided to get a complete restoration done on the car. Done by Emilio's Beetles, it presents in fabulous condition throughout, had a huge amount of work done to it. Body mechanically and interior, it's all been restored. It's had a few upgrades as well, it's been converted to disc brakes. A fabulous, fabulous Beetle. Engine has been totally overhauled. As you can see, it's in showroom condition in here. Inside, she's been totally retrimmed. Seatbelts fitted in the back. Still has the new smell. If you look at the condition video on the website, you will see a little production was put together, a book detailing all the work done on the restoration. The only fault I can see is the speedometer cable needs replacing. The new one's been ordered and should be delivered by time of sale. Front hood again presents in fabulous condition. If you check all the still photos, I have a lot of close-ups there of the work done under here. Let's take this for a little drive. Starts very well, this car. Always seems to start first time. Really tight, as you'd imagine. Bearing in mind it's been fully rebuilt. Goes through the gears slickly. We're now in fourth. Steering is nice and tight. Shifts fairly well for a small engine Beetle. All the road legal equipment is working, except the speedometer, as I mentioned earlier, that needs a new cable, which I hope to have supplied by time of sale. Very eye-catching car and getting lots of attention as I'm driving it at the moment. Very rare you see a Beetle on the road in this day and age. They used to be everywhere not so long ago. Car flew through its last NCT. It's been lying up ever since, so should pass again without too much difficulty. Currently taxed till the end of June. Restoration costs of this car are far in excess of the guide price, as you can imagine. Have a look at the condition video. I've gone through the little book that's been produced highlighting all the work done on this car, and that can be seen on the condition video. Thank you for watching. I'm very proud to be the top rated car dealer on Trustpilot in Ireland today.